What's up, guys? Corey here with another GNCRC video. All right, guys, so today I'm gonna go over my carbon cheat code by Mazz Design. So this particular one, I kind of took me a while to get it together. I got it together now and it's not in its final stage, but I'm just gonna kind of go over everything that I have done so far. So first thing first, I wanna get into the tire selection. So you guys know, many of you guys know Patagonias are my favorite. For around here, they do really well, as long as you're on the indoor course. I hadn't tried them that much on the outside, so we're gonna see how well they do on the outside as well one day. These are the Injora deep wheels. These are like a rose gold color. I chose to go with the HR shocks. These are oil filled as well. NSDRC. This is the 100. I forgot what is it. What is it actually? I think FS 100. But it's the 100. It's the micro series. I got the horn, and I also went with. I want to say this is a hot racing as well. This is hot racing. This is the steering linkage. I went with hot racing there, hot racing here as well. I chose to go with the stock axles because I did want to go. I didn't want to be as wide as my other one with the portals, so I did a non-portal truck. I used I guess you would call it a high profile mount. I also used the link riser. This is an HR link riser as well. Now, the ESC and the receiver, I should have gone on this side because I did put it on my scale, and it's much more weight on this side without the battery on there. So I got to go back, and I'm gonna probably swap these sides. These wires are not like the finished product is gonna be, but this is just for testing purposes only right now. This thing is like really lightweight, really lightweight. I think it was about 270. I actually can go a little bit lighter than that because I got another set of wheels and tires that I'm actually gonna put on here, and I'm gonna test those out as well. So it's gonna go down a whole lot less than that. It's gonna be a whole lot less than that once I get done. Fury Tech is a Pro. And then this is also a micro receiver that I got from, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna put the link in the description because I can't think of the name of the company right now. But this is for my Fly Sky. He has it for Fly Sky, for Spectrum and all. I'll put a link in the description as well to that. But I like these because it's a really small footprint, really, really small. And then of course, you know, we did the micro Komodo with the Fury Tech mount, as well as this is the Benedict Harry, I think is what it's called, or Harry Benedict, something like that. This is their transmission as well. No overdrive as of now. We're gonna go ahead and do overdrive in the front pretty soon. Body I chose, it's a little bit different, guys. I didn't want to go with the traditional fifth hanger body. So I did a little bit more cutting than I should have probably done right here, and I may do another one of these bodies. This is a red pearl by Spastics. It's just a red pearl that you spray out with the airbrush, and once you get done, you back it with black. Came out really good. It's a really good combination with these color wheels, I think. But like I said, I cut out a little bit too much right there. I could have gone down a little bit farther right here, and I'm probably gonna do another one of these bodies. I basically had to cut out almost all the front. You'll notice. The rear, I could have done it a little bit different, but you know, it works. I just say it like that, it works. I shouldn't get any body rub anywhere with it being like this. That's the way it came out. That's the one body. And I actually did a second body. This is my creep body. Now, this is a color change as well by Spastic. I did spray this out of, I don't know if the camera's showing it, but I did spray this out of the can, aerosol can. They got some really cool colors. Spray this particular one out, and then you back it with black as well. It's like a gold, purple, I don't know, blue. It flips quite a few colors. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can see that. But I did this body as well. Now this one I didn't get it cut like I wanted. This particular body was inspired by Bartow. That's Fabworks on Instagram. It's not really like I wanted. I wish they could have moved it forward a little bit more, and it was, you know, I don't know. I guess it's gonna be okay though. I think this part should have been a little bit longer back here, but it's really hard to cut this thing where the body does not rub. It really is. So I don't think I'm gonna have any rubbing in the front, or well, I know not at the rear at all now, but the front, man, this thing, it's a really cool body. But you know, because you can get all your stuff underneath there really well, but again, you have to cut out so much of it to make it work. But it's not a bad looking body at all. I'm not really sure which one I'm gonna actually use, but the cool thing about it is I can actually use my other body from my other Mazz chassis, so I can kind of swap these things up as needed. This particular one sits quite a bit lower than my other Mazz chassis with the RC all-wheel drive shocks. Sits a whole lot lower. You can't really tell. I'm gonna do a video pretty soon, guys. Let me know in the comment if you want me to do a differences in both of those setups. And that was my goal, though, to do a whole different setup on this particular one than I did on the original one. I can tell you this, like I say, this one is a whole lot narrower than the other one. The other one is a whole lot wider than this. This to get through the gates a whole lot easier, I'm sure. The bodies didn't come out perfect, but I will say with the color combination, it works really well because they do complement this color wheel. In the past, I never would have gotten a wheel that color, nothing wild like that. I'm more like just give me a black wheel. I'm really into that, but I'm really glad Injora did make these wheels, guys. You can get these wheels on their website. You can use my code as well. That's GNCRC05. You get 5% off your whole order if you order from Injora.com. I got several set of these wheels. Really like them. We got to do some testing. We're gonna get out today and I'm gonna do a little driving around with this thing and we're gonna see how well it does. I'm gonna compare it to my other one, but I'm not gonna do a driving comparison, but I will compare it in my mind, and at some point I'll do a driving comparison. I'm gonna go to one of my local shops and we're just gonna see what this thing does. All right, guys, I really appreciate you guys checking out the videos. Appreciate you guys jumping on the lives. If you would, go ahead and hit the like button for me on this video. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.